Self-practice 4.11, question 2. Given that log 23 is P and log 25 is Q, express each of the following in terms of P and Q. Okay, so for these kind of questions, first we need to identify the numbers we have. So we have 2, 3 and 5. So I write here 2, 3, 5. This will come in handy. Okay, let's look at A. Log 2, 10. So why we took out these numbers? Because we can try to express this 10 in these numbers. Okay, so 10 is just 2 times 5. So if we have times here, we can split the log to become plus. So log 2 is just 1. Log 5 is Q. So the answer is 1 plus Q. Okay, so we have to express these numbers within these three numbers only. We can't say log 2 1 times 10, because 1 and 10 not part of these numbers. Okay, let's look at B. Log 2 45. So 45 can be 15 times 3. 15 is just 3 times 5 times 3. Okay, or 9 times 5 lah, basically. So what we can do here is, instead of writing 3 twice, I'm just going to say 3 square times 5. Okay, 9 times 5 lah. So here, if we split it, we will get 3 square plus log 2 5. Then the 2 we can bring forward. So 2 log 2 3 plus log 2 5. Then log 2 3 we know is P, log 2 5 is Q. So 2P plus Q. Done. Okay. Finally, we have log 2 surd 15. So surd or square root is basically power 1 over 2. Then this power we can bring it forward. So we get 1 over 2 log 2 15. So 1 over 2 we leave it there. 15 will become 3 times 5. So this becomes 1 over 2 log 2 3 plus log 2 5. Then log 2 3 is P, log 2 5 is Q. So half of P plus Q. So you can say 1 over 2 P plus 1 over 2 Q. Done. That's it.